Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 online business using My Lead Gen Secrets. We only using one account. We on Daylight, built-in or 16 one. I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, let's go ahead and show you what I've made. So we're going to refresh the page here. It shows nothing right now. Let's refresh the page just to kind of clarify what I made and what I haven't made. If somebody doesn't refresh the page when they show you something, they trying to hide something. I wouldn't believe those results. That's all I'm saying. But when you cause it's very easy to change these numbers around. You know how to do it. You know what I mean? So as you can see, I did not get a sale Friday. And that's totally okay. Before I continue, I want to talk about why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business here. Because one thing, it only costs $25, and another thing, it's the whole setup of setting up your online business, no matter what you're trying to promote. For example, I'm promoting the 25 online business, but you don't have to promote it because it's a system in which you need for any type of affiliate marketing. You know what I mean? So if you wanted to promote something else, you could do that too. There's no problem with that. But I like the $25. I like promoting the $25 online business because its affiliate system pays 80% commissions and 80% recurring commissions. Meaning, if somebody stays in the system, you will constantly get paid every month, which is very cool. All right, so this is what we're gonna do here. This is the product we promoting here, the $25 all-in-one business here. So anyway, we did not get a sale yesterday, so which is absolutely fine. Don't worry about that. All right, so let's get something here. Daily emails. Let's go with. You know what? Let's do this one. This is my best performing email. Create a limited income for life. I've seen to get sales almost every time I post it. Not every time. Ain't nothing I do that get sales every time, but this create unlimited income for life seems to work almost every time. I don't know why, but we're gonna go with it. And sometimes let's test without my face here. Let's test without the face. The last time I tried without the face, I didn't get a sale. Let's try without the face, see what happens. So yeah, you just test stuff like that and try to slowly figure out what's working, what's not. You know what I mean? And you'll figure it out eventually. Hold on, let me fold some of this to pretty it up a little bit. All in one business. I want to bold that too. All right, so yeah, we're gonna leave it like that. I think that's pretty good. We'll stick to that. All right. So yeah, make sure the link works. And always check the link if you're not sure. I'm pretty sure mine works. I'm copying I already checked this email. You know what I mean? So yeah, it works. Make sure to click on perfect timing as well, because perfect time is highly important. What it does is it'll send an email around the time people check their emails, meaning that it'll end up on top of lists instead of just in the list somewhere. You got a much better chance of checking the email. So we're gonna send the email like that. All right, so we sent the email. Man, that's about all there is to it, guys. I mean, there's a ton of things you could do here. Do you guys want to let me show you the email here real quick, just to be able to copy it for you guys? Create unlimited income for life here, and then you keep it short and personal here. I keep it pretty short. This is the whole email right here. So you could just pause the video if you want to copy this email here. In fact, what you could do if you want to sign in for My Lead Gen Secrets, now this is the ultimate money loop here. Just copy exactly what I'm doing. For example, right? You see I'm telling you guys to sign up. All the links are in the description below, by the way. I'm telling you guys to sign up to the $25 all-in-one business and My Lead Gen Secrets, right? Get one account. This is what this account supposed to be. This is my smallest account. It supposed to somewhere emulate what new people would get at the beginning. The thing about My Lead Gen Secrets is that you got to build up your list a little bit before you start getting sales. But this is my smallest account. That's why I'm using it. But anyway, once you do that, right? You can record a video like I'm doing now and post it on YouTube in some way. Put a flashy thumbnail, and like I make some flashy thumbnails to try to get people attention. Like, oh, what is that? You know, it seems to work better than when I was using it before. The thumbnails I used to use before. The thumbnails I used to use before were pretty boring looking. And but anyway, get a flashy looking thumbnail, like a maybe like a meme on your thumbnail or something like that. Or if you want to get more personal, put a picture of yourself on your thumbnail and put some fun stuff on the thumbnail. Make it look very bright and colorful, more likely to click on it. And put like a meme or something. Put like Static or Uganda Knuckles or Will Smith slapping Chris Rock or something like that. And you put that all together, right? And you make a video out of it. These videos only take me about 5-6 minutes to complete. Do a little bit of editing here or there. It's no time at all though. I don't edit it too much. I just slap some stuff together for editing. And yeah, then I post it. And you can get sales that way as well. Just doing exactly what I'm doing here. You might even do better than me. So that's the ultimate thing you guys should do, I think. Show people that you promoting it using My Lead Gen Secrets, right? And then make a video about it. I think that's a very good way to start your monetization business here. And making videos on YouTube is free, so you ain't gotta pay that. Anything you make from that is 100% profit. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, that's all I want to say. All the links in the description below. Like I said before, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.